Purchasing instructor-led training, either classroom-based or virtual, is now available to you in Solutions Pathway. Simply navigate to the Training tab in the Solution Pathway homepage and select either classroom or virtual training, depending on your preference. From here, you can browse the available training and select View on the training you would like to see a schedule for. You will then be taken to the product page, where you'll find a detailed course description and the cost for your training. Scroll down the page to see the available dates, times, and seats of the courses for the instructor-led training. Once you have chosen the ideal course date and time, enter the total amount of seats you would like into the Number of Seats field, and select Book Training. It is possible to book training for yourself, others, or both. You are now taken to the training shopping cart. You'll notice on this page that there is option to toggle back to your original cart for hardware, software, and other services if ordered, or to continue shopping. Scroll down and you'll be taken to a detailed description of your cart contents. You'll notice that this area is highlighted red and will remain so until student information is complete. Select Add Student Information. Complete the required information about the student if purchasing for others, or select Add Me if purchasing for yourself. Select Add, and then Save. You'll now be taken back to your training shopping cart, and will notice the red shaded area is now clear. The final step is to complete your payment details by scrolling back to the top of the page. You can pay for the training using either a credit card or via a purchase order, if you're one of our financial partners. In this example, we'll use payment by credit card. Once you're happy that all the details on your order are correct, submit your order. You'll receive instant confirmation of your order along with a confirmation email that will have a link to your purchase course in the LMS.